Welcome to our guide on making money by writing articles on Medium. Earn with Medium articles. Start by choosing topics you're passionate about. Authenticity draws readers. Research trending topics on Medium's homepage. This keeps your content relevant. Create a strong outline. Well-structured articles keep readers engaged and boost your chances. Dedicate time daily to write. Consistency helps in establishing your writing routine. Craft compelling headlines. A great headline is critical for attracting reader clicks. Get feedback from friends. Their insights can enhance your writing style and content quality. Edit thoroughly. Well-polished pieces leave a lasting impression on your audience. Use Medium's analytics to understand what works. Adjust your strategies based on data. Promote your articles on social media. Broader exposure increases your readership. Engage with your audience in the comments. Building relationships increases loyalty. Follow other writers and publications. Learn from their techniques and styles. Invest in learning. Consider courses on writing and blogging for detailed guidance. Join the Medium Partner Program. You can earn money based on reader engagement. Optimize your Medium profile. A clearly defined profile attracts more followers. Build a following. Consistent quality content leads to more subscribers over time. Monitor your growth. Regularly review analytics to tweak your content strategy. Respond to comments. Engaging with readers encourages discussions and repeat visits. Attend writing workshops. Networking with peers can provide fresh perspectives and ideas. Find inspiration in everyday life. Draw from experiences to connect with readers. Set clear goals for your Medium writing journey, such as engagement targets or article count. Keep a vision board of writing ideas. This keeps the creative juices flowing. Celebrate small victories. Acknowledging progress motivates your writing efforts. Find a mentor. Their guidance can fast-track your writing journey on Medium. Change your writing environment to spark creativity. New settings can inspire better content. Draft multiple articles simultaneously. This diversifies your work and enriches content. Review past pieces regularly. Analyzing what worked helps improve future writing. Update your profile regularly. Keeping it fresh attracts more readers and looks professional. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And pay us a visit to our website clevermoneideas.icu. Thanks for watching.